How's it going, YouTube world? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm TD205. If you're a returning person, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate it. Hey, today I'll be getting my 5K service done on my bike, my 2024 Harley Davidson Road Glide. Of course, my service is up now for it to have it done. The bike is still on the warranty, so I'm not going to take it to the traditional Harley Davidson dealership, but I am going to take it to a Harley Davidson authorized mechanic. I'm going to ride up to Norris Cycles, which is in Oneonta, Alabama, not too far from here, probably about 50 miles. So it's not a bad ride for me. And I'm going to take it up there and I'm going to sit with it. He said it may take about 2 to 3 hours. Got my laptop so I can just kind of mess around, watch YouTube videos on my favorite content creators. I got a pretty good deal on the rate. And so yeah, I can't pay those Harley prices, boy. That's just a lot. Nah, but you got to do what you got to do. Just shop around and just make the best decision for you. I think he's a pretty fair price mechanic, and he does great work. So I'm just going to take y'all along with me on this journey. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Later.
In the land of passion.
y'all, I made it to the shop. All right, I'll see y'all in a few. All right, y'all, so I've made it down to Norris Cycles here in Oneonta. Just kind of waiting on them to open up. The owner texted me and said he's getting biscuits from Jack's. Asked me did I want some. I told him I was good. Appreciate that hospitality. But yeah, bike made it. All right, so we about to get this service done, and I'll check in with y'all in a few. It was a good ride up here. All right, later. All right, so I'm just finna sit on my laptop and just hang out with him.
Has anything been done to the bike recently?
Nah.
Okay, cool.
It's
Have you
all
had
stock
any issue
form.
with the bike recently?
No issues at all. I bought it in February.
Cool.
Got it from Mountain Motorsports up in Gaston. The 1K service was done on it, and so now I'm at 6,000, so it's time for the 5K. I'll see them back at 10,000. Let's ride. All right, take care. Thank you, sir. See you.
Decrease it again.
All right, not a problem. Appreciate you, Bobby.
Thank you,
Take
sir.
care, man.
You too, man.
All right. 5,000 service is knocked out. I'll probably see them back at 10,000. Seem like good people. Took care of me. I took care of them. Bike sound good, man. Looks good. Alright, we back in the game, y'all. 6,121 miles. It's all about riding, baby. You gotta pay to play. Take care of your bike and enjoy it. Trying to beat this rain. I'm almost home. All right, y'all, so I've made it back to the house. I got my 5,000 service done on my 2024 Harley Davidson Road Glide. I ended up taking it to Norris Cycles up in Aniana, which is not too far from the house. They took care of me. They did the whole, shebang. They did the run through just like Harley Davidson would do. If you take it in at Harley Davidson, they did the same thing pretty much. They have master techs there as well. The owner is great. The master tech that worked on my bike was great. I kind of sat down and talked with him as he was working on the bike. Not too long because I wanted him to do the job correctly. So it was pretty cool. It was like 2.5 hours. Took about 2.5 hours to do it. I took my laptop and just kind of watched my favorite content creators on YouTube, and it worked out well. I mean, didn't break the bank. I mean, it only cost me $400. You know, that was it. You know, I used the synthetic oil versus conventional. I mean, I saved up for it because, you know, you have to save up for your maintenance, save up for your tires. You know, you save your money, you know, you could play. And so that's pretty much what I did. Just kind of saved up because I knew a day would come. I got to get my service done. So you plan ahead and, you know, you'll be all right. $400 is not bad. You know, that was pretty fair price to me. Consider what I've been seeing online and just talking to people, hearing what they say that they pay for the 5,000 mile service. It's ridiculous. You know, but it is what it is. Each is their own. Like I said, I shop around. I don't mind paying a economical price if the job is done correctly. But yeah, so thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.